Good morning, friends. It's Miss Marie, and I'm in my backyard. Yesterday was Thursday, so today is Friday. Will you sing the song with me? So we'll clap one time on Friday. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. And you know that if today is Friday, that means tomorrow is Saturday, and the day after that is Sunday. And those 2 days that start with Saturday and Sunday, they are the weekend. So I won't see you on Saturday or Sunday, and then I will see you again on Monday. So now that we are in the month of April and we are in the season of spring, we talked about some things that we might notice outside that tells us that it's springtime. And some of those things might be flowers blossoming or little buds on trees. We might see little bird's nest with eggs inside. And if you remember, I had my little sphere birdhouse out here with a bird nest in it from last year, so I cleaned it out so that it's available for a new bird to build a new nest for its family. But there's something else that I'm thinking of that we don't see for a while when it's cold in the winter, and then when it gets warmer in spring, they come back. Can you think of what comes back in spring? I'm thinking it starts with B, bugs. So I have our Amazing Animals, Insects, and Bugs book. And I bet you can tell me what this one is. Butterfly. What's this? Dragonfly. Snail. Beetle. And grasshopper. Let's see what other kinds of bugs we might see in spring. Dragonflies have 4 wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. They can fly backwards and can also hover like a helicopter in midair. Beetles are the most common insect. That means we see beetles more than any other insect. They have hard wings and are found all over the world. What is this? Ladybug. Did you know that a ladybug is a type of beetle? You can tell because it has hard wings. Grasshoppers can jump far with their strong legs. They rub their hind legs together to make noise. So if we're outside and we hear a grasshopper, When they rub their legs together, it sounds a little bit like this. That's how you know there's a grasshopper around. Can you make that noise? Roll your tongue. Spiders have 8 legs. They make silk, which they use to build webs and to swing from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Butterflies have large, colorful wings and are very good flyers. They can taste with their feet. What do we taste with? How do we taste our food? Our tongues. We have taste buds on our tongues that let us taste our food. We taste salty and sweet and bitter and sour and savory. Butterflies taste with their feet. So I'm wondering if we have some nice weather this weekend, if you get to play outside, and I hope that you do, can you tell me a list of all of the bugs that you see around your house? I've seen mosquitoes. I've seen flies and really big horse flies too. I have seen little gnats around my compost in my backyard. Just like we have compost at school, I have a big compost bin here to make soil. And this isn't an insect, but I thought you would like to know. Yesterday in my yard, I saw a snake. Can you all make the snake movement with me? Yeah, it's a little garden snake, and he was light brown with dark brown stripes, and I saw him today too, so something tells me that he lives in my yard. I'll take a picture if I see him and show it to you. So I wonder if you can remember from our book, how many legs do spiders have? 8. Do you remember what 8 looks like? Let's trace it. 8. Okay, let's do it together. 8. One more time. Really big. Up and around and down and back up. 8. Kind of reminds me of a racetrack. And how many legs do the beetles have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you remember what 6 looks like? Can you show me? Let's trace it. 6. 6. Let's do it in the air really big. 6. And what about the number of wings that a dragonfly has? Do you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. 4. Ready? Let's do it in the air. One more time, really big. So my challenge for you, when you see insects outside, I want you to remember how many legs did I see on that insect? And then you could even get a pencil or some chalk and write the number of legs that you saw on each insect. Before we go, what do we need to do? Meditation. Are you ready? Hands go on your knees. Do you hear the birds talking? Thank you so much for joining me today on Friday. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday, okay? Goodbye, Alaya. Goodbye, Sam. Goodbye, Benson. Goodbye, Jacob. Goodbye, Emma. Goodbye, Stone. Goodbye, Ollie. Goodbye, Nina. Goodbye, Mila. Goodbye, Colette. Goodbye, Anthony. Goodbye, Carmine. Goodbye, Miss Amber. Have a fun weekend.